Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2015 Ford C-Max Hybrid maintenance light reset. Now we're just going to use that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car and show you that the oil needs to be replaced. Now we're just going to simply use the brake and the gas pedal. So go ahead and turn your car off again, and now turn on your car without starting, and within 2 seconds step on the gas and the brake at the same time. You're gonna have to maybe do a couple of tries for this. Turn on your car without starting. 1, 2, gas and brake at the same time, and hold it. Just keep holding it. Just keep holding it. That's it, guys. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.